2025 Honda Civic Si. MSRP $31,045. Highs. Crisp shifting manual transmission, affordable price tag, nicely equipped with desirable amenities. Lows. A little extra power wouldn't hurt, the exhaust is more raspy than brappy, no adaptive dampers like on the Civic Type R. Verdict. Practical, affordable, and fun to drive, the Civic Si is a compact four-door that goes from commuting to apex nipping in the blink of an eye. Overview. It doesn't quite have the horsepower of its key rivals, but the 2025 Honda Civic Si is a sport compact sedan that's nonetheless a favorite among our staff. Its 200 HP turbocharged four-cylinder drives the front wheels through a crisp shifting 6-speed manual, and that's the only setup Honda offers. This arrangement results in decently quick acceleration, but it's the driver engagement that keeps us coming back for more. It's also cheaper than the more powerful Volkswagen Golf GTI and Hyundai Elantra N, and it still comes with desirable amenities including heated sports seats, a digital gauge cluster, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and a 12-speaker Bose stereo. When the Si isn't turning hot laps, it channels its run-of-the-mill siblings from elsewhere in Honda's lineup and offers the same practicality and easygoing nature of the base Civic sedan. What's new for 2025? The Si receives a similar aesthetic upgrade as the rest of the Civic family for 2025, including updated front and rear ends, new tail lights, and a new color called Urban Gray Pearl. Inside, heated front seats are now standard, as is a 10.2-inch digital gauge cluster. The 9.0-inch infotainment system receives upgraded software that's now running on a Google platform with more apps and connectivity features. Honda says it has stiffened the Civic Si's structure and retuned the suspension. Summer tires are back on the menu for 2025 and cost $300. Pricing and which one to buy. The price of the 2025 Honda Civic Si starts at $31,045. Civic Si. $31,045. This one's easy. Since the Si is only offered as a fully equipped model, the only choice you'll have to make is between a set of all-season or summer tires. We'd choose the latter for the extra grip. Engine, transmission, and performance. Under the hood of the Civic Si is a turbocharged 1.5-liter four-cylinder that makes 200 horsepower and 192 pound-feet of torque. That power is sent to the front wheels through a 6-speed manual transmission and a standard limited slip differential. An automatic option isn't currently offered. Our hands-on experience revealed some engine coarseness when pushed, but there was little turbo lag, and we loved the shifter's short throws and light action. The manual gearbox also now has a rev match feature for drivers who haven't perfected the heel and toe technique, and it's easy to turn on or off. Compared with the regular Civic, the Si has larger brake rotors. Plus, the Si's firmer suspension gives it an edge in the handling department. And while adaptive dampers are no longer included, the taut standard suspension was smooth, steady, and never felt harsh. 0-60 mph times. In our testing, the Honda Civic Si's 0 to 60 miles per hour time was 6.6 seconds, 0.7 second quicker than the standard Civic hatchback we also tested with the 6-speed manual transmission. Fuel economy and real-world MPG. The Civic Si is rated at 27 mpg in the city and 37 mpg on the highway. As part of our extensive testing regimen, we ran a 2022 Civic Si, which is mechanically similar to the 2025 model, on our 75 miles per hour highway fuel economy route. It returned 37 mpg there, matching its EPA estimated highway number. For more information about the Civic's fuel economy, visit the EPA's website. Interior, comfort, and cargo. An exclusive set of sport seats with added bolstering and heating, distinctive Si logos in the headrests, and red contrast stitching are some of the primary ways Honda differentiates the Si's interior from the standard issue Civic. The red stitching extends to the doors, steering wheel, and other surfaces to denote the car's sportiness. The ornate mesh that spans the length of the dashboard and conceals the HVAC vents also gets exclusive red trim. In the SI, the driver faces a digital gauge cluster with an analog speedometer and a tachometer. With the same dimensions as the less sporty Civic sedan, it provides an equally comfortable backseat and a trunk that'll hold 6 carry-on suitcases. Infotainment and connectivity. As with the best-equipped Civic models, the C's standard infotainment system features a 9.0-inch touchscreen that sprouts from the middle of the dashboard. The unit includes a handy volume knob and a couple of other physical buttons. Honda packages every SI with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. There's also a standard 12-speaker Bose audio system for jamming out on the way to the grocery store or racetrack. Safety and driver assistance features. Honda offers the same diverse selection of standard driver assistance technology on the latest Civic Si. For more information about the Civic's crash test results, visit the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA, and Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, IIHS, websites. Key safety features include standard forward collision warning and automated emergency braking, standard lane departure warning and lane keeping assist, standard adaptive cruise control, warranty and maintenance coverage. The Civic Si comes with a competitive, albeit wholly unremarkable, warranty. For those interested in complimentary maintenance, all 2025 Hondas come with a plan that covers oil changes and basic services for the first 2 years or 24,000 miles. Limited warranty covers 3 years or 36,000 miles. Powertrain warranty covers 5 years or 60,000 miles. Complimentary scheduled maintenance for 2 years or 24,000 miles.